everyone. मैं मनोज यादव और I am a teacher on Unacademy as well as YouTube. Today I am going to teach the very important topic is types of computer network. So let's talk about what is computer network. Before we discuss about the types of network, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video amongst group. In this lesson, we would like to cover basically three topics. First, LAN, MAN, WAN, and MCQ about the three topics LAN, MAN, and WAN. So let's we start. What is LAN? LAN is a local area network. Is a group of computer or collections of computers connected to each other in a small area such as buildings, office, apartment, home, building, etc. LAN is used to connect two or more computers. This is the personal computer and this is another personal computers. We connect two computers together through wires. It is a inexpensive hardware such as hub, network adapters and Ethernet cables. LAN is a very inexpensive network because he used very less expensive hardware such as hub, repeaters, adapter and Ethernet cables. The data is transferred at any extremely faster rate in local area network. When we can transfer a data from one node to another node, the data transmission speed is very fast. Let's we discuss what is PAN. PAN means personal area network. Personal area network is a network arranged within a individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Basically, PAN is a personal network which is used to connect individual persons. Like this is a laptop, and with the help of PAN, we can connect any mobiles, headphones, and mobile phone at the same time. Personal area network is used for connecting computer device of personal uses known as personal area network. I am also talking about previously we can connect multiple devices together with the help of PAN. Thomas Zimmermann was the first research scientist to bring an idea of the personal area network. Thomas Zimmermann is the first person who introduced idea about the personal area network to connect multiple devices together. Personal area networks cover area of 30 meters. The distance of a device, one device to another, are known as 30 meters. Personal computer devices are used to develop a personal area network or the laptop, mobile phone, media player, and PlayStation. So many devices which are inbuilt PAN in laptop, mobile phone, media player, and PlayStation. Next, there are two types of PAN. There are two types of PAN. First, wireless, wireless PAN and wired PAN. There are two types of personal area network. First, we are talking about wireless area network. Wireless area network is a network which is used like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With the help of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, we can connect two devices together. And second, wired personal area network. In this network, we can use USB cable to connect one device to another. Next, we are talking about MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a network that covers large geographical area. This is the very important point. Interconnection of different line to the form of large network. This is the network which is used to connect multiple cities like ALD to AGRA, Agra. Government agency uses mine to connect citizen and private industries. There are so many private agencies and citizens connected through the mine. Next, the mine various lines are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. There are so many lines connected through the mine. It has higher range than local area network. Local area networks range of 10 meters, but mine range is 10 to 30 and above the 30 meters. Next, we are talking about basic diagram of mine. This is the mine, and here we can connect multiple line. First line, second line, third and fourth line. The four line are the very different and remote places, like this line exists in ALD, and this is Agra, and this is Varanasi, and this is Mumbai. There are so many different city connected through a mine. Next, uses of metropolitan area network. First, the mine is used to communicate between bank and city. This is the very important point. Mine is used to communicate bank and city. There are a bank PNB exists in Allahabad, and this is the PNB bank exists in Agra. The two different city banks connected through the mine. It can be used in a airlines reservation. Mine is also used in airlines reservation system. It can be used in a college within city. And next, it can also be used for communication in military organizations. These are the important uses of mine. Next, what is WAN yani wide area network? This is the very important point. A wide area network is a network that extends over the large geographical area such as country. Means that WAN is used to cover large geographical area, means that it is used to connect two countries like India and Pakistan. A wide area network is quietly bigger than LAN. A WAN is a bigger than LAN and MAN. A wide area network is not limited to single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone lines, fiber optic cables, and satellite link. The area of WAN is very large. As I said, it is used to connect one or two country together, which means that it has unlimited geographical area. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. We can also say that internet is a example of WAN and wide area network. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. WAN is a most important used for business purpose and government and education purpose. This is the example of WAN, and WAN it used to connect various dissimilar network. Next, examples of wide area network. First, mobile broadband. A 4G network is widely used across the regions of the country. With the help of wide area network, 4G network are uses through a country or regions. Last miles. A telephone company is used to provide internet service to the customer in hundred of city by connecting their home with fibers. In our country, there are so many service provider which provides internet services to the customers using cables, fiber optics. Next, private networks. Banks provide private network that connect the 44 offices. This network is made by using a telephone lease line provided by the telephone company. This is the private network, and with the help of this network, we can access internet services to the different banks through telephone leased line. Next, MCQ part first. Computers network that span a limited geographical area, usually range of small office to building, are known as LAN and local area network. Second question, most common types of computer network. Most common types of computer networks are known as LAN. This is all about it. Thanks for watching.